Hey YouTube, I hope you guys are doing well. Today, I'm going to bring you a different kind of video for this channel than what I usually publish. I'll give you a tour of Powhatan Plantation Manor House. It is located within Hilton Powhatan Resort in Williamsburg, Virginia. This Georgian style house was built on a large tract of land around 1735 by its owner and Virginian architect Richard Taliaferro. It is one of the finest classic Georgian brick structures in Virginia's tidal water region. During the American Civil War, Union troops burned the house, which gutted the interior, and the building was restored in 1948. The house is an example of an early Georgian architecture, a two-story brick building which has 5 bays across and 2 bays deep. A cannonball from a period was found embedded in a chimney. The restoration of this building returned the roof shape from gable, where only long sides of roof are slanted or it has a slope, to a hip structure, where all sides of roof has a slope. So this is what you're looking at is not the original design of the roof. They used the lines based on a chimney to do this restoration. Originally, the third floor had no dormer windows and was used primarily for storage space. Oyster shell mortar was used as a bond to hold the bricks together, and the bricks are made from clay found in a local area. Signatures and dates carved into bricks, which predates the house, led us to believe that some of the bricks were sourced from the buildings, other buildings, as it was typical of early 18th century constructions. If you have been to Chichen Itza in Mexico, that pyramid is partially destroyed because people from the local area, they started using the material from the pyramid to build their own houses and structures, which is sad, but it's a fact. The exterior is made up of a brick in a Flemish bond style, where they build the wall with one brick parallel and one brick perpendicular. So from outside it will look like one long brick and one short brick, and it will go in a sequence like that. This house has a fireplace in every room, as it did when it was first constructed. This is probably due to cold winters in Virginia. Renovations rebuilt the house's interior and the roof after the fire, but most of the elements were removed in 1948 restoration. The masonry and interior woodwork in the earlier Georgian style dates to 1948 rather than colonial period. Please enjoy the tour. If you want to learn more details about this house, I'll give you some links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this tour, please subscribe to this channel as I regularly upload travel, cooking, reviews, how-to and gaming videos. I have not yet monetized this channel or ad-free experience, so please support this channel by subscribing and liking this video. If you're seeing the ad on this video, it's by Google and I do not get part of the revenue from the ads. Also follow me on Instagram at the Dr. Pandya. Let me know in the comment how did you like this style of video, and if you want more of this kind of videos. Thank you so much.